Welcome to the Guide to TSB Bank Chatbot, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you navigate and utilize the chatbot effectively. The TSB Bank Chatbot is an innovative tool that allows customers to manage their accounts, access information, and receive assistance 24/7. To get started, you can access the chatbot through the TSB Bank website or mobile app. Simply click on the chat icon and you will be connected to the chatbot. The chatbot is designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate. With a simple and intuitive interface, the chatbot can be used for a variety of tasks, including checking account balances, viewing transaction history, and transferring funds. You can also use the chatbot to ask general questions about your account or to request assistance with a specific issue. To use the chatbot, simply type your question or request and the chatbot will respond with a helpful and accurate answer. The chatbot is equipped with advanced language processing capabilities, allowing it to understand and respond to a wide range of queries. One of the key benefits of the TSB Bank chatbot is its ability to provide personalized support and assistance. The chatbot can access your account information and provide tailored advice and guidance based on your specific needs and circumstances. In addition to its functional capabilities, the chatbot also includes a range of security features to protect your personal and financial information. The chatbot uses advanced encryption and authentication protocols to ensure that your data is safe and secure. To get the most out of the TSB Bank chatbot, it is recommended that you use clear and concise language when asking questions or requesting assistance. You should also be specific about the information you are seeking or the issue you are experiencing, as this will help the chatbot to provide a more accurate and helpful response. Overall, the TSB Bank chatbot is a powerful tool that can help you to manage your accounts and access information quickly and easily. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can unlock the full potential of the chatbot and take advantage of its many benefits.